Hi guys, my name is Sarah and this is my e-portfolio. I used the website Wix to create it and it was actually pretty easy to create. The first page is just going to be the home page that's going to show you that my name is Sarah Bianco. A little bit about my story is I'm a wife of 10 years and a mother to a little 1-year-old girl. I also work full-time for USAA and I go to school part-time at USF. I'm licensed to issue homeowners policies in every state in the United States. I have been licensed in this field since May of this year. When I started my career as an insurance that's when I started my career as an insurance agent. I'm currently working for USAA and I'm working from home. I'm hoping to be able to use this career to be able to further my leadership skills, which is what I am currently going to school for. I just want to end up being a teacher with the company to teach those licensing classes that they give. So that's what my bachelor's is, a degree in general studies with a concentration of leadership. As you go down, you'll see a little bit of my experience. As I said earlier, I just started working in insurance this year. So my prior experience is going to be the insurance agent currently. Before that, I worked at Grove Roots Brewery, which is a local brewery that's here in Winter Haven. Before that, I worked as a bartender at Tampa Bay Brewing Company in Ybor. That's the little town of Ybor in Tampa. And then I worked at Hard Rock Cafe in San Diego before here. I've also held several other bartending jobs, but those would be the most significant ones that I held. Going down here, you'll get into my academic experience. I do have a high school diploma and I have 2 associate's degrees, both from Mesa Community College. One is just an associate's in general studies and the other is an associate's arts. I'm now currently working on my bachelor's, which is in general studies with the concentration in leadership. My proficiencies, I'm always looking for new and useful skills that will help me do better work. Whether working with a new group or doing something on my own, there's always room for improvement and to learn. What I'm best at, though, is going to be any office programs. That's going to be Word, PowerPoint. I've taken several classes on those, but most computer programs, I've learned several other ones working as an insurance agent. I'm also good with project management. I work with groups at my job, and I'm able to manage those projects to make sure things get done on an efficient timeline. This is a look into my life a little bit, me and my husband and my daughter. We're big hockey fans, so go Bolts. And then this is going to be my favorite quote. I'm a big fan of Dr. Seuss. He says, "You have brains in your head, you have feet in your shoes, you can steer yourself in any direction you choose, you're on your own, you know what you know, and you are the one, you'll decide where to go." And I just like that because I like to travel. My contact information, if you need it, is going to be bianco@usf.edu. And in my ePortfolio link, if you look it up, there's going to be a link to my blog. So you just click the blog, and in here is going to take you to my blog on Blogger, which is going to have all of the stuff I've done for this class currently. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.